Welcome to my review of the HideMyAss affiliate program. If you're looking to monetize your website, blog, or social media platforms with a VPN affiliate program, HideMyAss could be a good option. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about the program, from how to sign up to what kind of commissions you can expect. First, when you join the HideMyAss affiliate program, you'll gain access to an intuitive dashboard that makes tracking your sales, commissions, and traffic easy. HideMyAss offers a wide variety of marketing tools, such as banners, links, and tracking tools, all aimed at helping affiliates succeed. The commission structure is based on a CPA, cost per acquisition model, which means you get paid for every customer that signs up for HideMyAss after clicking your referral link. Typically, you can expect around $5 to $30 per sale, depending on the type of subscription your referral chooses. Higher commissions are available if you refer more customers or convert more traffic. This program is ideal for those in the VPN niche or those targeting privacy-conscious consumers. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching the video to get even more information on how to maximize your affiliate success. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the key advantages of HideMyAss is its strong brand recognition. It's one of the most well-known VPN providers globally, so when you promote it, you're promoting a trusted service. Plus, HideMyAss has a reliable product with a wide range of features, such as high-speed servers and top-tier security, which will resonate with your audience. This can lead to more conversions and, ultimately, more income. On the flip side, some users have reported that the program has a lower payout threshold compared to other programs. While HideMyAss does offer competitive commission rates, you might find that other VPN affiliate programs have slightly higher payouts for the same amount of work. It's essential to weigh this against the brand recognition and support that HideMyAss offers. When promoting HideMyAss, it's crucial to target the right audience. If you have a tech or privacy-focused site or a YouTube channel discussing online security or VPNs, your audience is likely already looking for products like HideMyAss. Additionally, HideMyAss provides great customer support to affiliates, helping you with any questions or issues that might arise during the promotion process. Overall, the HideMyAss affiliate program can be a great way to monetize your platform if you have the right audience and are prepared to engage with high-converting content about online privacy. It's an easy program to join, and the marketing tools provided make it easy to start earning commissions. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and affiliate program insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.